very excited to have a special interview with AB Dental, a dental implant company, together with Doron Alush, the VP Business Development Manager. Can you please tell us a little bit about AB Dental?
AB Dental is a fast-growing, innovative dental implant company that was established 30 years ago by the Bar Shalom family, and today is an international company that works in over 50 countries worldwide and provide a full solution to the dental professionals.
Doron, can you please share with us what are the main dental trends that AB Dental is focusing at?
So AB Dental is investing a lot of time and resources in finding the next big thing in the dental industry. On the implants, AB Dental is offering a unique and amazing new implant with conical connection platform and rehabilitation solutions with one platform for 3.5 diameter to 5.
Doron, I would like to ask you to give us some inputs about the best tips you can offer when it comes to dental implants.
Our experience worldwide taught us that there's 5 main things that's important to the dentist. The first, to choose an established company. The second is choosing an international company. The third, the dental implant company that he chooses will provide him a full line of solutions, both in implants and rehabilitation parts. The fourth is that they will give him some innovative product, innovative solution, and the quality of service. That the company will provide him the best possible service to answer to his needs.